Tired of juggling multiple apps and websites just to pay your credit card bills? Well, if you're an Apple Card user, you're in luck, because today, we're showing you how to pay your Apple Card balance directly from your iPhone. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one that looks like a stack of cards. Tap to open it. Inside the Wallet app, you should see your Apple Card. If you have multiple cards, scroll until you find it and then tap on the Apple Card. This will bring you to your Apple Card dashboard. Here, you can see your current balance, available credit, and recent transactions. Look for the Pay Now button. It's usually near the top or bottom of the screen. Tap the Pay Now button. You'll be presented with a few options. You can pay the minimum amount due, the statement balance, a custom amount, or set up scheduled payments. If you want to pay a custom amount, tap on that option and enter the specific amount you'd like to pay. Next, you'll need to choose the bank account you want to use for the payment. If you haven't already added a bank account, you can do so by tapping Add Bank Account and following the on-screen instructions. Once you've selected your bank account and payment amount, review the details carefully. Make sure everything is correct. Then tap the Pay Now button at the bottom of the screen. You'll likely be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security purposes. And that's it. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that your payment has been successfully submitted. You'll also receive a notification confirming the payment. You can always view your payment history and upcoming payments within the Apple Card dashboard in the Wallet app. Paying your Apple Card from your iPhone is quick, easy, and secure. So take advantage of this feature to stay on top of your finances.